Welcome to Lingua Latina Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Exercises. So here on Exercise 4, what it's asking us to do is put in the correct endings for the following nouns, and what you need to know here, just as a quick overview, is that these three types of nouns are three different genders. Fluvius is masculine, insula feminine, and oppidum neuter. And they're each going to get different types of endings based on the kind of noun that they are. They belong to a different family, masculine, feminine, or neuter family, and they get that also means they get different endings. So here, Corsica, insul blank est, we need to choose from these possible endings. So in this context, it is insula, because it is a predicate nominative. Corsica insula est. Corsica is an island. Okay, we got that correct. Corsica et Sardinia. Now the plural form of this, how do we say that Corsica and Sardinia? It is our insulae. Insulae sunt. Good. Rhenus fluvius est. Rhenus et Danuvius fluvii sunt. So that's how you do Exercise 4. Exercise 5. We are asked, here we have fluvius est, fluvii sunt, the river is, the rivers are, the island is, the islands are, the town is, the towns are. So we need to supply the correct correct number, singular or plural. So Sicilia insula est, Sicily is an island. Sicilia et Sardinia are, how do we say islands? The answer is insulae. Insulae sunt. The Rhine is a river. Rhenus fluvius est. Rhenus et Danuvius, how do we say are rivers? Fluvii sunt. Okay, so if you have any other questions about this exercise, be sure to let me know. Exercise 6 is vocabulary. So we have these words here that you should know from context. Graecus, imperium, multi, num, pauci, provincia, quidem Romanus. So the sentence, Tusculum non oppidum Graecum, sed oppidum blank est. So Tusculum is not a Greek town, but what kind of town is it? Looking at the list, Oppidum Romanum is correct. Sparta est oppidum. What kind of a town is Sparta? Sparta est oppidum Graecum. Okay. So finish those exercises, and let's go to exercise 7. This is the last exercise for lesson 2, and you can always tell you get to the last exercise because it gives you questions. Estne Aegyptus in Africa. Is Egypt in Africa? Estne Aegyptus in Africa. Aegyptus in Africa est. Egypt is in Africa. So answer it out loud. Aegyptus in Africa est, and then check your answer. Now, often your answer may not be exactly like Orberg's answer. There's a little bit of flexibility here, but you want to try to match your response as closely to his as possible. So if you said Aegyptus est in Africa, that's correct. But after you see the response that Orberg gives, cover it up and try to answer the question as he answered it to get practice with good Latin style. So, Estne Hispania in Africa? Hispania in Africa non est. Ubi est Hispania? Where is Spain? Hispania in Europa est. So you can practice on your own, even come up with your own questions. The last one, Ubi est Hispania, I anticipated his question. And the response, Hispania in Europa est. So finish those exercises and email me or let me know if you have any questions.